Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing predictions for Wednesday game of the UEFA Champions League. We did the Tuesday one and it was pretty good. I got some predictions correctly, so we're predicting the Wednesday game. Now if you're ready, let's go. Now Ajax in Group A, we have Ajax and Liverpool. I think that game is very interesting, but I'm expecting Ajax to beat Liverpool. Yes, I'm expecting Ajax to beat Liverpool. I know a lot of people will be like, no, Liverpool always beat Ajax. Ajax are not that good when it comes to defensive game and all that. But I think Ajax would want to show in front of their own fans that they can beat Liverpool, and they will do that. So Ajax will beat Liverpool, and I'm thinking it's going to be a 3-goal or 4-goal. So let's go with 2-1 or 3-1. Ajax is going to beat Liverpool in this particular fixture. That is my prediction. So I'm going with the 2-1 victory for Ajax in this particular game. Then move out to Napoli versus Rangers. Wow, this is going to be a goal fest. This is going to be a goal fest. I know I said the same thing about Man City and Borussia Dortmund game at the end, a 0-0 draw, but this one, Osimhen is back. Victor Osimhen is back. So this is going to be a goal fest. I'm expecting Napoli to beat Rangers convincingly. Even if Rangers play with 5 at the back, Napoli is going to beat them convincingly. So in this one, I'm expecting a 4-1 victory for Napoli. Then move on to Group B, where Club Brugge play FC Porto. So Porto will be out there giving all their best to win that game. I think it's going to end in the draw. If there'll be a winner in this game, I think Porto will come out victorious. So if you want me to give you a scoreline, I'll predict a 2-1 victory for FC Porto in this particular game. Then move on to the other game in Group B, Atletico Madrid versus Bayern Leverkusen. Now, this game is a game where Atletico Madrid will have to squeeze and get the points after their disappointing output in this particular group. So I'm expecting Atletico Madrid to go out and beat Leverkusen. Now they have Griezmann that can play full 90 minutes after, buying him off from Barcelona. So I'm expecting Atletico Madrid to beat Bayern Leverkusen. Now, if you want to talk about scoreline, I'll go with the 3-2 victory or 3-1 victory. I think 3-1 victory for Atletico Madrid against Bayern Leverkusen. Bayern Leverkusen will try their best, but I think Atletico Madrid will come out firm and beat them in that particular fixture. Then we move out to the Group C, the one everyone is anticipating. Inter Milan versus Victoria Pilsen. Inter Milan versus Victoria Pilsen. Inter Milan is going to kill Victoria Pilsen. So I'm expecting a 3-0 or 4-0 sounding victory. The game will be decided in the first half. This particular game, Inter Milan versus Victoria Pilsen, is going to be decided in the first half. Expecting a 3-0 or 4-0 victory for Inter Milan, because they know they have to win to qualify to the next stage of the competition, which will ultimately send Barcelona to the Europa League. Yes, so I'm thinking a very huge win for Inter Milan. Then we have Barcelona versus Bayern Munich. Now, this is a game where everyone has been giving their opinions on. This is a game that everyone has been giving opinions on. They'll be talking about it. But I think Barcelona will fall tonight. Bayern Munich will beat Barcelona again today because the pressure is on them. Bayern are relaxed. They've already qualified. Barcelona will be coming out to attack, and Bayern will hit them the counter attack and score more goals. The Barcelona defense is not that good if the opponent is brave. So I think Bayern Munich will beat Barcelona again. I think it's going to be another goal-filled game after predicting the Napoli game. This particular will be another goal-filled game. So I'm predicting a 3-1 or 3-2 victory for Bayern Munich. So I'm thinking Bayern will beat Barcelona in this game. It's either a draw or Bayern win. Yes, a draw or Bayern win. If Bayern loses, not even upset, go there and dominate them and win the game. So I think Bayern will go out there and beat Barcelona at Camp Nou. Then the next game we have Eintracht Frankfurt versus Olympique Marseille. This is a very close game. Anybody can win in this game because it's a game, this kind of fixture is a game that you don't want to make mistakes. If you make mistakes, the opponent score. But I am going for a Frankfurt win against Marseille. Yes, I'm going for a Frankfurt win against Marseille. probably 2-1 victory for Frankfurt, because Marcel, sometimes their spirits go down when the opponents are too strong. When they try, they just give up. So I think Frankfurt will beat Marcel in this game. So 2-1 victory for Eintracht Frankfurt in this particular fixture. Then we move on to Tottenham Hotspur versus Sporting CP. Now, Sporting CP is very, very good. CP is very good. So Tottenham played against Newcastle in their last game and they were underwhelming. But I'm expecting them to seal a narrow victory against Sporting. So I'm going with the Tottenham win, either 1-0 or a 2-1 victory for Tottenham against Sporting CP in this particular fixture. So those are my predictions. If you are betting, please bet wisely and don't take my word for it. Please use your head and bet responsibly. That's if you want to bet responsibly. Don't take my advice and go with it 100%. Even though I got yesterday's own correctly, some of them actually, if I got them correctly, please use your head and bet responsibly. So that is all I have for today. I'll be talking about the La Liga and also the Premier League this weekend. So I hope you did enjoy that. If you did, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. So that's all. Goodbye.